When it comes to TikTok organic, there's just two components you have to nail down. Number one, good products. Number two is good videos. If one of those components are missing, you're fucked. You're not gonna make it work. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a bunch of examples of really good products with bad videos, really good videos with bad products, and also perfect videos with perfect products. And just to make this more educational, before I actually explain to you why the video is bad, why the product is bad, etc., I'm gonna let you guess why that is. Let's get started with the very first one.
Did you know you could make this at your local hardware store? Just take this and that. A little bit of this too. And boom, it's immaculate.
So what's good and what's bad, video or product? In this specific case, the product is actually really good. However, the execution with this video was terrible because people don't even understand that this is a product. You literally don't get it at all. This guy made it look like he built something off the hardware store and that's it. When in reality, he's selling like a pipe where you can smoke weed through. Number one, you grab the attention of not weed guys. This video has nothing connected at all, which indicates that there's weed involved. And secondly, he just made it seem like this is not even a product which is sellable. This doesn't look like a company at all. This just looks like a video on TikTok, which is very odd. So this one again, this was a really good product, especially on Halloween, etc. However, what's missing in this video? Why did this not go viral? Number one, there's no hook at all. Number two is there's also no storyline. The video is literally you just showing the blood mat. What the person probably thought who made this is, let me sprinkle in some controversy and make the bathtub yellow, and that's why it's gonna go viral. So he thought that controversy by itself is enough, which is not the case, okay? You still need a hook, you still need a storyline if you add little controversial things. And also, this one was way too obvious. If he would have done it right, he should have just shown the bath just a tiny bit, so it's not so obvious that he's showing this like pissed on bath. Because with this video, everyone saw it. What you want to create is people commenting, yo, did you actually see what's in the bathtub? Or generally people who feel smart about catching some little detail of the video which nobody else noticed. But obviously with this kind of controversy, this is not going to work. This product was a massive winner. What is the issue with this video? Even if it goes viral, which in this case it actually did, it's not gonna make you any money because the only reason why it went viral is people tagging friends and telling them they're a hoe. That's it. It's just a completely wrong audience and it doesn't make sense at all to do this video because number one, you're gonna fuck up the account by doing a bunch of stuff like that. And number two is you're not gonna make any sales, so what's the point? And the last big issue with this is that people can't even tell if this product is on sale. The whole video setup is not done in a right way where people would want to buy the water gun. Because again, it doesn't look like a company would ever do a video like this, or it's not even a thought in people's head that this water gun can actually be bought if they click on the link in the bio.
One more step up the ladder. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see.
So to start things off, this product is really good. I would generally not recommend you selling it because you're gonna have tons of copyright issues with Pokemon, and I've seen generally people having issues with it. However, why did this video not go viral? And the answer to that is you can clearly smell the Facebook ads person here. The person who made this video was 100,000% used to doing Facebook ads creatives, and they just took what they're doing with creatives and put it onto TikTok, and this doesn't work. You cannot be as salesy as on Facebook because something like this will never go viral. Number one, you have watermarks, which is a very Facebook thing to do. It just doesn't work on TikTok. Number two is you have this Black Friday 25% off thing, which is the most salesy thing you can ever say possibly, which again, on Facebook, that's fine, but here on TikTok, it's just not gonna go viral because obviously you're not paying for views, but you need to go viral by itself. People just don't want to be sold. This product is actually really good and satisfying, and there's tons of really good content out there with this one. However, this guy just didn't make it work because he confused platforms with each other. Why did this video not go viral? Because the product is amazing. The product is really good. The reason for this video not going viral at all is number one, the lighting is terrible. Number two, there's no context or no storyline at all with this, and it's just the ducky lamp being filmed from different positions, and that's it. There's nothing special at all about this one. And just bad lighting by itself can ruin the entire video. On how many videos are really good, but just the lighting is off, and you change that and everything just starts to work magically. So keep that in mind always when you're filming. And then just like one minor last little detail is the text is way too far out. So ideally you would have it a little bit lower.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful.
The hook idea is really good. It's actually really catchy and captivating. The hook is good, but the execution later on is terrible. And all the clips after the hook are really bad. They're super low quality and everything has this cheap feeling on it. And the product itself gives you the chance to showcase it really well. This guy just didn't take the chance of showcasing it really, really well. And that's the reason why it didn't work.
Nigga, what? That was my first reaction to realizing you can hack literally anything with our product called the Hack Stick. You can even hack the camera of your grandma's iPhone to watch her bathe. Oh my God. If you want one, it's in my TikTok shop or link in bio. I love little girls.
So this one is very obvious. The controversy is just terrible. The guy who made this video, he thinks he's funny because he's saying those things, but in reality, this is 100,000% not gonna go viral for the right reasons. Even if you make it work and this does go viral, this is not gonna bring you any sales. And also, if somebody wanted to buy this product, you're gonna fuck it up by saying these things because they're not gonna wanna buy from you. And the main point here is generally that the controversy is not aligned with the product. You could do a bunch of controversial things with this product itself, but then the controversy is actually justified. You're doing controversy which is somehow connected to this product and you're not going viral for the completely wrong reasons.
I found a way to keep everybody happy for the holidays. This is the world's largest dining room turntable. Each pad is non-slip and heat resistant, so no more fighting at the table over dishes this year. Thank goodness.
This one is a really cool product, right? Everything seems to be good, but there's one tiny thing which is actually a problem. And it's that you have to cook 8 meals every time you film. This is something which is just so time consuming that I promise you, you're not gonna have a good experience while filming this. Keep in mind, if you're a really good cook and you're cooking anyways, and it's super fun to you, and you're gonna bulk film a bunch of videos after you cooked everything once, fine, go ahead. Just keep this in mind. Be aware of products which have this huge time commitment just to be able to start filming.
If
You're
you be the
so-
cash, I'll be the rubber band. Okay. If you be the cash.
Versus our soap.
It's a really good video and I'm gonna explain to you in a second why. However, the real issue here is there's no demand at all for this product. It sucks. It's a terrible product. There's no reason at all why you should buy this metal soap. But let's analyze the video and I'm gonna tell you why this is actually good. Very first of all, it's very intriguing for people to actually see what's going on. If you say something like your soap or other people's soap or something like that, you are having an implied scroll stopper. People instantly think, all right, this is their soap. Now they're gonna have to show my soap. You get them to stop scrolling because they want to see the next clip. They want to see the before after effect. Also, showing the knife and then breaking the soap is really attention grabbing, and it's just something where people want to see that. This video just looks so clean. Number one is the sound is really satisfying. It's almost like this ASMR type of content. And generally the editing and the pace of the video is literally perfect. However, this product is a little bit more boring and it's pretty difficult to go viral with it. And also generally unboxings are also by default implied scroll stoppers. Like you want to see what's getting unboxed and you want to see how it's going to look. So you basically grab people's attentions just by doing that.
Can you fly like Spider-Man? That is an amazing question, and I have the answer for you. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe Spider-Man can fly. This web shooter will not let you fly, but you can totally use it to recreate some of Spider-Man's real powers like shooting webs and being insanely sticky.
This video is very good. You're showcasing the product by answering a question. And how you're doing it, you literally start the video on a roof. You're standing on the roof and you're answering the question of, can this make you fly? So people are kind of expecting to either jump off the roof or do something crazy with it. So this just keeps you watching. And the main part is already done. If you hook a person to watch the first like 5 or 7 seconds, it's way more likely that they're actually gonna stay. And what they're doing after that hook is they just keep entertaining with really good clips, editing, the fast pace and everything.
choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28 telling me I'm still a baby.
Again, really good video. The main reason for that is that there's a really strong before after effect. You have this really strong difference between super dirty and super clean, and also it speaks directly to a niche audience. This is actually something where you're cleaning your dishes every day and you see something like that, you're gonna actually want to buy this because this seems like it's gonna make your life easier. So it's very problem solving. All right, so these were a lot of examples, but I hope you learned something and actually are generally gonna see what is required to make a video go viral and also what issues can be there with products. I hope this was showcased here, and this is something which is done one-to-one in the mentoring program, where basically me and the entire team are gonna look over your videos, are gonna look over your products, and we're gonna tell you, is this product good? Is this bad? Is this video good? Is it bad? Why is it bad? And we're gonna constantly be reviewing everything you do. And because we have so much experience with all of this, we've literally seen thousands of products, thousands of videos, and can identify what is good, what is bad, and why. And if you want us to review everything you do for you, you can click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're gonna see if it's a good fit.